Lumasek, manufacturing company based in Stropkov, is a regional leader in metalworking and a trusted partner for a wide range of engineering solutions. Under one roof, we offer cutting-edge technologies and complete project execution. Our Marvel 6025 laser, featuring 20 kilowatts of power and a tilting head up to 45 degrees, can cut stainless and structural steel up to 60 millimeters thick. With a massive cutting table of 2,570 by 6,080 millimeters, this fiber laser handles even the most demanding tasks. We process structural steel and stainless steel up to 60 millimeters and aluminum alloys up to 30 millimeters. Thanks to bevel cutting capabilities, we can also cut angles up to 45 degrees, even along curves, up to 30 millimeters thick.